merge and append options. Merge and append option is something like you are making joins and unions. Append is nothing but a union sort of thing, and merge is you can do join. So if you are saying I'm looking for merge query to be created, I say let me copy this table orders and renamed it as a, I'll say named it order copy. So I'll be doing this all merging options on this table. I'll click on merge. So let me know which table I want to merge with this current table. I say people to be get merged, but for that you have to get this join. You have to have one column which you can treat it as a unique column. You get it. I say left auto join is there. Means left table is my order copy to be taken as a base table, and respectively people will be extracted from your people table. I'll say good to go. I'll say okay. So for people table, I'm saying I'm not looking for all. I'm looking for just a person and region. I'm not looking for zone. You can keep that. So from this table also, if you are saying I'm not looking for all columns, I'm pretty much okay with the few columns. I'll say this customer ID. Let me take it till here. I'm not looking for it. You can remove. Product name is there, and further profit, sale, shipping, category also I'm not looking for. So I'll say let me remove this also. It's not adding value to me. So what you are doing? You are cleaning your data, where you are putting or keeping your data wherever you require the respective columns. Otherwise, you are deleting the columns, because keeping unnecessary column in your table, putting extra load on your visualizer tool. So let me. So we are okay with this. So let me apply this, or you can click from file also apply. So once you done apply this, change all changes which you did till now will be get implemented or can be copied to your desktop window. So let me go to my desktop window, Power BI desktop. So here you can see this table is there. So let me show you the table. Yes, order copy is there. Yes, on top is there. So I had already cleaned this. So let me take one more page here to utilize the visualizer. So I say I'm looking for people person name based sales figure. It is just a matrix which you had taken. So if you want this bar should be there, you would convert to bar, and respectively other options are also there which you can create. And then sorting is there. If you want to go for sorting, ascending, descending, based on, we are in two options with us, either based on person name we can sort, or with the name of sales we can sort, because both the values are there with us, on the basis of which we can sort the data. And so let it be based on sort, it is already there.